This weekend, Friuli, Venezia, Giulia opens the doors to hundreds of hidden historical and artistic gems across the region. Could tell us why are you here today, or why these five activities is special?
Okay, today there is the opportunity to visit this place. I'm from Trieste. This is my first time here in Villa Necker.
This villa, we are living under over the road, in 100 meters.
Because I love this city. I'm from here and I love it, and I want to, improve my knowledge about.
Is a opportunity to visit place never open.
It was a carry-on on the top, okay, in the vacuum side of the Lupo.
Because I am from Trieste and never been here because this is always closed as a villa, and so it's a very, very nice idea to open it and to have a possibility to look.
Why are you visiting today?
Because I have never seen this villa, so I was curious.